In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Death Note in Heroes Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the ability to get the Death Note. The Death Note is a very special tool because you will be able to type the name of any player or even a dummy, and you will immediately kill them. Now, the difficulty in obtaining the Death Note is that as of today, you can only get it in private servers, so keep that in mind. To my knowledge, it is impossible to find it on the map on a public server. So unfortunately, if you wanted to do it against real people on public servers, you will not be able to do this. Unless there is a new method, which you can leave in the comments, I will not be showcasing how to do it on a public server because I believe it is impossible. Now, if you are on a private server, the first thing that you might need is going to be Private Server Plus. So if you still need to acquire it, you will be able to find it as a Game Pass available for Heroes Battlegrounds, and as you can see, it costs 500 robots, so make sure that you purchase Private Server Commands or Private Server Plus. Once you have this, you will be able to find the Death Note by creating or hosting a private server. As long as you are the host of the server and you have Private Server Plus or Private Server Commands, usually you can find it besides the weakest dummy, as you can see here. Now, if you join the private server and you don't find it there, then sadly there is nothing else that you can do. You will only be able to use the Death Note if you host a server with Private Server Plus and you see it besides the weakest dummy. All that you have to do afterwards is walk towards it and your character will start holding the Death Note. Now, with the Death Note being held, you just have to type out the name of any player or even a dummy who is currently on the server. And if you type out their name, they will go down to 0% HP. Now, like I mentioned, I don't have Private Server Plus, and sadly, I will not be able to display this on screen. But if you had the Death Note, immediately upon typing the name of someone, like I said, the person would go down. I apologize for not being able to show it on screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Death Note in Heroes Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.